NewJeans' HANNI recently left fans concerned after appearing visibly upset at the airport. The group had just returned from the 2024 Asia Artist Awards in Bangkok, Thailand, and were met with a large crowd of press and fans. As they made their way through the airport, a huge crowd rushed towards them, causing chaos. HANNI suddenly became extremely upset and had to take a few minutes to collect herself, with Minji and a staff member trying to soothe her. Fans are worried about HANNI's well-being, and since the reason behind her reaction isn't clear, they're trying to piece together what happened from live news broadcasts. Some think a man who bypassed security and tried to hand her a letter might have scared or overwhelmed her. Comment down your opinion and subscribe for more.